Hello and welcome to a Hollow Knight boss tier list. Get this shit out here. Yeah. The first we shall start with no one other than Gra's mother. Let's be honest. Easy. Very, very easy. False Knight. Again, easy. Bell Champion. Also easy. But if he does get in the corner, it does become a problem, and then you gotta deal with him constantly trying to shove shockwaves in your face. So yeah, Brooding Moloch, easy, very easy. Benji Fly King, easy but very long and annoying. Like many people say, like I know he's like literally the first to second boss you see in there, but still. Moss Charger, let's be honest, that thing's easy. Heart Protector, easy, but very annoying. Trust me. I tried to do fucking Ascendant mode and I did keep dying. No Eyes, also easy but annoying. Umu, 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 Umu. Where would I put this stupid jellyfish? Where would I put this stupid jellyfish? I would say medium difficulty. They are. This thing is pretty hard to defeat, but it's doable. Idaho, easy. Mantis Lords, easy, but very long and hard. Easy. Soul Master, I haven't fought in so long because I've been facing Soul Tyrant. I gotta put him there. Soul Tyrant, medium difficulty. Get you now and then, but very easy. Watcher Knights. Watcher Knights. Some may may say that they are very extremely hard and should go at top 5 of hardest bosses. But honestly, they're me in difficulty. You heard me. These guys are pretty easy. All you have to do is not be dumb. So basically just have a sharp shadow, go through them when it comes, and and just keep wailing on them. Nail bounce if you have to. Collector, easy but very annoying in both radiant and regular. The fucking things, God. Both of these are easy. Well, the White Defender can be a bit of a challenge. Are you kidding me? Easy. Even you, easy. A bit harder. I'll say that. Also easy but annoying. All you gotta do is get that one pattern in, and then it's gone. Hold on, I'm just gonna add one below. There we go. Doop. Anyways, Terror Lord. Things can get out of hand if you are not careful. But honestly, me in difficulty. Gollum, he's pretty. Actually, not. It's medium. Uh, yeah, oof. I don't know where to put them. Shit. Like, fine. I'll put him in medium difficulty, but he's way in back of that. Nosk. I hate this fucker. I hate him. I hate it. Like, it's worser than it's like they thought like Winged Nos was like. I bet the devs were like, oh yes, Winged Nos. Let's make that, and it'll definitely be better than regular Nos. No, the fuck it wasn't. It was way easier. It looks way easier. If Winged Nos was here, it would go over here. But still, Nosk is a bitch. The way they move, I hate it. The little thing where they go up and then that and drop everything, I hate it. And the one when they go in the middle and spray everywhere, I hate it. So man, honestly, he's obviously the hardest. These bitches, these bitches can ruin your entire run if you are not careful. God Tamer, me in difficulty. Just don't be stupid like me. I would say Markov is kind of not that hard. Here's my strat. Oh, like save your spells, maybe do at least one or two during the beginning, and keep hitting him. It's easy to dodge its first phase. Once it's phase two, just scream at him, do all you can, and he'll die fast enough. If you're doing ascended mode, then you're probably screwed. Hornet Sentinel. This one is a bit harder than regular Hornet because, well, that's what they want to do. Make it harder. But honestly, she's kind of hard. Hive Knight. Medium difficulty. I hate that fucker, but he's easy. Easy. Broken Vessel. You can obviously choose this and Lost Kin fight, but Lost Kin is a bit more difficult depending on. Both of these are. Both of these are honestly both because this one has its own attack, while the other one loses it and just gets faster. Broken Vessel has this attack that just he sprays his little infection everywhere and it's annoying. Just it's annoying. I hate it. Lost Kin, he just goes everywhere and he's just fast about it. That's it. Easy to deal with. Just don't be dumb. And if he's driving crazy, start going ham at him. Hollow Knight, medium difficulty. Along with Radiance. They're both pretty easy. Along with Grim. This fucker. Pain. And honestly, Pure Vessel, since I have played it so many times and now sometimes for fun, it's hard. Oh, hey, look, going at Nosk. And you go. Medium difficulty? Uh, honestly, Sly is it's easy to deal with now. I know his move, so yeah. This one, hard, along with the, don't get the, yeah, along with these two guys. Yep, Master Shio is up there. And I know for a fact that she is going to be hard. I know. I know for a fact she is going to be hard for me. But that's pretty much it. Bask in the glory of this. Since I know everyone's wanting it. So, so there, Zote. He gets his own little slot.